All right, Adaptive Tactical here at SHOT Show 2026 with Black Basin Outdoors. I'm going to walk you through a couple items that we have new at the SHOT Show. If you haven't heard of Adaptive Tactical before, basically we manufacture all of our products in Idaho. So we have holsters, accessories, soft goods. This year we're excited about 3 new items. So this year we have a brand new Arkus product line. So the Arkus product line is going to include our new AR grip, this one here. Super comfortable, ergonomic, solid, really well built, again, made in Idaho. Also our new rear stock as well. This is also part of that Arkus line. Really good recoil pad, easy adjustment, has 2 QD points. Again, same solid polymers that all of our products are made out of, so super excited about that. And that's a mil-spec tube, so that'll fit all your mil-spec rifle builds. Also this year, brand new is our 1022 stock as well. We have a lot of different 1022 stocks. We got 2 different takedown stocks that we do. We have a full-length stock here that we've had for quite a while, but our new Arkus stock, we're really excited about this. Again, adjustable length, real easy to install. 1-bolt installation, great for youth shooters, great for new shooters, super lightweight. This, again, our Arkus product line. If you're not familiar with Adaptive, again, we make a lot of different accessories for 1022s, shotguns, ARs, a lot of different things. So new products this year is our OmniCarry holster. OmniCarry holster is basically designed to offer fits for 300 different handguns in the same holster. The holster comes standard with metal clips, also has the concealment wing standard on there, mesh backer on the outside, but fully adjustable to fit 300 different handguns in the same holster. So great opportunities for those that can't find the right holster. This is a great fit holster for that. Guys that are multi-carrying, the OmniCarry is a great solution. Quick little adjustment in the morning as you're setting up to take your concealed carry out. 3 different models on this. Fits a standard. We have the 1911, 2011 edition, and we also have the micro version. All those holsters together fit 600 different handguns. OmniCarry is a one-stop solution for your concealed carry needs. So just a few more little details about the OmniCarry that we just talked about. This is the 1911 or the 2011 version. What we talked about in the video is how this OmniCarry fits over 300 different handguns, and then the 1911 or the 2011 fits actually about 175 different versions of the 1911s and the 2011s, and it's super easy to adjust. Basically, the holster is based around trigger retention. So basically, there's 2 screws on the front. You've got this really complicated tool, just a Phillips screwdriver. So in the morning, you can set that tension if you're carrying different guns in the morning, you can set that accordingly, or you can just set it and forget it. But basically you're adjusting the front tension here or the tension plate in the back. Basically that tension plate, you just adjust those 2 screws right here, and that allows you to tighten up the retention on the holster simply with adjusting those 2 screws. If you like it tighter or looser, it just depends on what your carry preference is. You just make those quick adjustments with just a Phillips screwdriver.